gotta take a sip of water because I'm about to act up. Okay, I'm about to act. Do y'all see me? I mean, do y'all see me? Do y'all see me? Did y'all check out the baby hairs? Like, yo. And they not granddaddy long leg baby hairs. They're wispy.
Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog. I'm on the grind early in the morning. Find the vibe, then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream of mine. I wanna say my name in the light shine so bright that the stars don't have to come out in the nighttime. I make it happen, buy my girl a gas, so we gon' get it crackin'. When you see me grinding, yeah, I'm grinding for you. When they see me shining, know it's all cause of you. When I win the Grammy, they gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it,
I can't see y'all, so flip a dip. But y'all, off top, this wig smells so good. This is my third braided wig, and this wig smells so good. Like, what? Girl, what you say? You know how I'm gonna get a bag, don't he? You know how I make a chick mad, don't he? Yes! Alexa, play Act Up.
she said you got old and started showing out. She remember Jay-Sean as a youngin'. I don't flex for love, no, I don't stutter, no. Look, I do it for my sisters and my brothers. And I never been afraid to say I love you, yeah. Bump this in your speakers in the summertime. Tell yourself that everything gon' work out fine. Wake up the next day and get back on your grind. When they see you at the finish.
This wig making me want to cut up, okay? Like, I just... I can't wait to lay and slay this wig. Alright, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and style this wig. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking and all that yik-yakking. We're just going to get into laying and slaying this wig. Then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, I just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog. I'm on the grind early in the morning. Find the vibe, then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream of mine. I wanna say my name in the light shine so bright that the stars don't have to come out in the nighttime. I make it happen, buy my girl a gas, so we gon' get it crackin'. When you see me grinding, yeah, I'm grinding for you. When they see me shining, know it's all cause of you. When I win the Grammy, they gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it, I'll tell them. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I did it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, I just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog. I got love within me, guess it's homegrown. Used to watch ET, now I just phone home. Called my mama, told her that I'm grown now. She said you got old and started showing out. She remember Jay-Sean as a youngin'. I don't flex for love, no, I don't stutter, no. Look, I do it for my sisters and my brothers. And I never been afraid to say I love you, yeah. Bump this in your speakers in the summertime. Tell yourself that everything gon' work out fine.
Hey, y'all. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all. Make sure you drop a comment and let your girl know how y'all doing. Your girl is feeling great. Okay? I'm feeling great. And I look good. Yes. I look good. I'm so proud of myself with this braided wig, y'all. Like, come on. Come on. Do y'all see this? Like, do y'all see this? All right, before I get ahead of myself, today's video is sponsored by Instant Arewa Hair. I really do apologize if I said that wrong. Thank you so much, Miss Deborah, for reaching out to me, wanting to collaborate with me. I'm so excited for our video. All right, y'all, so let's get down to the nitty gritty of today's wiggy, 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 wiggy. But honestly, who says it's a wig? I look like I went to the shop. The wig that I am wearing today is their mid-part cornrow wig style number 2. This is a full lace wig. The lace color is medium brown. I have it in 32 inches, baby. Yes, to the booty braids. I'm gonna act up. I'm gonna act up with this wig on. All right, I'm just letting y'all know. The density of this wig is full. I have it in the color 1B. The cap size is medium, and it did come with baby hairs in the front. I do have a coupon code for $15 off. I'll be sure to list that down below in the description box as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the starting price for this unit, and I'm gonna also tell you the price for my unit with my specs. All right. So the starting price for this wig is $215, okay? That's the starting price. The price for my unit is $309. Now, before y'all get in my comments and say, oh, that wig is so expensive and all that jazz, just remember, you determine if the price is right for you. I'm just here to teach you how to lay and slay these wigs, baby. Now that we got the line of business out the way, let's jump right into these pros, because ain't no cons. And yes, I said ain't no cons, all right? Your girl is looking good. It's a photo shoot, y'all. Like, girl, it's a photo shoot. It's a photo shoot. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, because it's going to be a photo shoot on there, all right? My Instagram page will be listed down below in the description. The first pro I would have to say about this wig, and it's my favorite, is the lace. The lace on this braided wig is everything, y'all. I give credit when credit is due. If the wig is trash, I'm gonna tell you if it's trash. If the wig is bomb, I'm gonna tell you it's bomb. All right? And y'all may not want to believe me, because a lot of people think that YouTubers lie because the videos be sponsored. But y'all, I let my wig speak for itself. This lace is everything. We serving scalp to infinity and beyond. Yes, do y'all see my baby hairs? Like, who do I think I am? Like, who do I think I am? Y'all know I don't like baby hairs, y'all. But I really felt like this unit would not look natural if I did not add a little bit of baby hairs. I didn't add any makeup in the party space. I wanted you guys to see how it looks on my head without any makeup added, and I feel like I really didn't need any. When I did my makeup, all I did was apply a little bit of face powder to the lace because it already had melted in really good, but I just wanted, I wanted it to look even, after I did my face. But lacesbomb.com. Another pro I would have to say about this wig is the style. I'm really loving this style. I've always wanted this style, but I'm just now growing my edges back, and I ain't trying to get them taken, okay? No, baby, I want my edges. Save your edges and get a braided wig, okay? Period. But I'm loving the style, and I love that it's nice and full. Another pro to this wig isn't heavy. I've had this wig on for 5 hours. I don't record these wigs and that's it. Nope, I gotta stop, do virtual learning, eat, dance, do concerts, all that jazz. And this wig is not giving me a headache. It's not too heavy. My neck, my back, they don't hurt. As far as the wig being big head friendly, this wig is big on my head. I will have to go in around my ear and cut off the extra lace and probably like 1 or 2 extra braids. I just tucked the lace under, and it's still looking good. I mean, you're not gonna see my size unless I decide to pull the wig back. But yo, perfection. That's all I can say. And I know y'all probably like, girl, whatever. Look at the wig. I mean, just look at how good I look. I am. Hey, girl. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video because it's not a whole lot for me to say. Once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Instant Arewa Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. And I know y'all see this wig. Yo, this wig is popping. What? Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.